in CapjaDocs. So if you go into My Folders view on tab, we've got a content expiry button. Within this, we've got all of the content that's either about to expire or expired. We can cycle through the different types of views from this button. So if I just want to show only the expired, it's here. If we want to show all upcoming without the expired, it's here. And if we can click it again, we go back to the show all. We can also search to search the content. So if I just wanted to see the Lolas, then we've got a list here of everything that's upcoming. We can also toggle showing or hiding inactive content as well. And it's great. We can see it all in one view now.